you.
No, because
No, you could nothing. You don't run me. You don't own me.
You're the one yelling and screaming.
I said April did not give me credit.
Very apparent. Again, defending yourself. Again, defending yourself.
Yeah, I'm defending
Conversation
myself.
over.
Yeah, it's over with you. Because I'm not going there with you. See, you want to bring it to people, but when it's brought to you, then you don't, okay. I'm tired of you. It's over, Jesse.
Okay, I'm here, so let's hear it. What do you have to say that
All I have to say is your bullshit.
Did you or did you not?
I know exactly what I said, and I've told it to April.
Here's what I want to break down.
Here's what I want to break down. Running back and forth is over.
Let me
it's
talk.
over.
Let me talk.
It's over and out.
Let me talk. Okay, so you went from as soon as you started talking, oh, here's what I said, Now you're trying to say at the end of the conversation, I was barely saying. I was barely saying.
4 hours over and over to reiterate anything.
It happened in 4 minutes, right? Was that not the first words out of your mouth?
4 minutes?
And that woke me up.
This is yelling!
And that's what I woke up to.
No, you won't lie because they would have heard me around the corner.
Nobody else was there.
They would have heard me around the corner, believe it, Jesse. They would have heard me around the corner.
You can say whatever you want.
No, I know exactly what I said.
It's very apparent.
No, it's apparent that you starting shit you can't finish.
I'm sitting in here talking with you.
You can talk all fucking day long to me, Jesse. I'm tired of hearing you talk.
Okay.
Period.
You're not hurting me any.
No, you don't hurt me any.
Okay, so now you're just saying whatever I say.
You don't hurt me any, Jesse.
Okay.
All you're doing is hurting yourself.
By listening to something else because it woke me up. It woke me up, and I went and told them. And I went and told them. And I went and told them. And now it's my fault. Memphis was not in the room. I passed him on the way up there. I passed him on the way up there.
While he was in the room,
we
was talking about Memphis and Steven.
Because Memphis came back in after.
He said something about Memphis and Steven. Memphis was in the room for half of the time.
The first 4 minutes he wasn't?
Oh my God, Jesse, you are so full of yourself you can't even see it. The bullshit you're trying to pull was pulled season 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I'm tired. 9, 2. It ain't gonna be pulled this fucking season. I'm done with you. I'm sick of you. And you get the fuck on my nerves.
Great.
Oh my God.
So now I'll talk.
Talk!
Okay.
Talk to her, try to get in her ear, try to say the bullshit.
Because you felt so confident. Okay.
I told her how I felt.
Exactly.
So fucking say what you need to say.
So she already knows. So you just picked up my story.
I know what I said, but you're adding shit about Memphis and Steven, and Keisha's talking about this and that.
Why would I add something?
You added it. You're lying.
Okay.
Period.
Okay.
If I could hear any more yelling. And Michelle just got in my face, and I'm pissed off at her because that was so uncalled for.
You gotta understand. They're yelling at her because she's out there. Nobody's in here. That's why I came in here.
But she just came in my face, and I said, all I said was you heard yelling. I didn't say anything about anything else.
No, she wanted to hear it from you because she didn't know what they told you. Because they said to her that you're like, oh no, it was because of you. It was because of you. Do you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.